If you have a car, gas is one of those unavoidable expenses. Whether it's commuting, running errands, or family road trips, we all spend money at the pump. But instead of just watching that cash disappear, you can make every trip to the gas station count towards a future trip. So if you want to earn travel points from your gas purchases, here's how it works. You need to sign up for a travel points program available in your location that gives points for everyday purchases, including gas. I'm in Canada, so I use Air Miles, and Air Miles partners with specific gas stations to give you travel points for the money you spend every time you fill up your gas tank. When you're paying for gas at a participating gas station, you scan your Air Miles card. Now this can either be the physical card or the app on your phone. When you scan this card, you're going to get some travel points per liter of gas that you fill in your tank. But the trick to ramp up those points quickly is to look for bonus offers. For example, I purchase gas from Shell gas stations, and Shell gives its own bonus points if you fill up your tank or purchase a car wash or even buy snacks at the Shell gas station store on specific days. I'll show you a real comparison. If I buy gas without a bonus offer, I'll get 1 point for every 20 liters on regular gas and 2 points for every 20 liters on V-Power gas. These points come from Air Miles themselves. Now, in addition to this, Shell runs its own promo where if I buy at least 30 liters of gas 3 times within a single month, I'll get 40 bonus points. And if I do that 4 times within a single month instead of 3, I'll get 80 bonus points. All I need to do to get this extra bonus from Shell is to click this opt-in button before I make my purchase. In addition to these 2 bonus sources, I pay for the gas by using my BMO Air Miles World Elite MasterCard. This is the co-branded credit card that I use with Air Miles, and the card gives me 1 travel point for every $12 I spend on any purchase, including gas. So this means that I get points on my gas purchases from 3 different sources within the same program. If you're trying to do this yourself, I have 3 tips for you. Number 1, always check the Air Miles app before you fill up your gas, because the bonuses rotate and you need to click the opt-in button so that your purchase counts towards your bonuses. Number 2, stick to one gas station partner instead of spreading out and buying from multiple different places, because loyalty pays off. Number 3, use the rewards credit cards alongside your Air Miles card to maximize the bonuses that you're getting. This is how I stack up bonus travel points from gas purchases and car washes that I have to do anyway. You can even just double the hack if you guys are a family and you have 2 cars. Each time you fill up each of those cars will count towards your bonuses. And if you're going for the bonus where you have to fill up 4 times to get that 80 bonus points, you know that for each car you just need to fill up twice within the month, which is very feasible. That's it for this video. If you want to follow along the 10,000 points travel challenge or even join the challenge yourself, then check out the other videos in my playlist where I share the different ways I rack up travel points from my everyday expenses. If you found this video useful, then give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone else you feel will find it helpful as well, and subscribe to my channel for more useful travel content like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.